Forget attack dogs. Ancient Rome had attacked geese. In 390 BC, the city of Rome was under siege by the Gauls. Things were looking bleak. The soldiers were asleep. The guards were slacking. Total mess. But in the dead of night, the enemy tried to sneak in by climbing the cliffs of the Capitoline Hill, the last Roman stronghold. And guess who noticed? Not the soldiers, not the guard dogs, a bunch of sacred geese. These birds started honking like their lives depended on it. And honestly, they did. Their screaming woke up the Romans. The attack was stopped, and the city was saved. Moral of the story? Never underestimate a goose with anxiety and a purpose. Rome survived thanks to weaponized honking. And that, friends, is peak ancient security. Follow Cheeky Chronicles for more absurd historical moments that actually happened.